Good morning, students. Today we can study another reagent, that is dibal. Dibal is otherwise called as diisobutyl aluminum hydride or dibal H. This dibal H is an exceedingly useful and a versatile reagent. It is used for reducing esters and alcohols through an aldehyde form. It is an electrophilic reducing agent usually employed in selective reductions of esters or nitriles to aldehydes, or it can be used for the conversion of lactones to lactols or alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds to allylic alcohols. This reaction is carried out, or this reagent will be very effective when the reaction is carried out at low temperature, that is at minus 78 degrees Celsius. This dibal H reduces carbonyl or nitrile groups selectively in presence of double bond, halide groups, ethers, nitro groups, etc. And we can see that this is available commercially as a solution in toluene and or hexane, toluene or hexane. At ordinary temperatures, these esters or ketones are reduced to alcohols or nitriles. Esters and ketones to alcohols, or we can say nitriles gives amines and epoxides are cleaved to alcohols, like that. And this is a convenient reagent for reducing carboxylic acid to alcohol. And this can be also used for reducing esters to alcohol through the formation of an aldehyde, as I have already explained. And it is possible to stop the reaction at the aldehyde stage also. And this dibal reduces esters to alcohol at room temperature, and the reaction occurs by the formation of an aluminium alkoxide. Aluminium alkoxide, which this intermediate, this is an intermediate which spontaneously forms an aldehyde which yields an alcohol, which yields the alcohol. Or we can say this reaction at minus 78 degree, the alkoxide is stable enough to accumulate and it can be trapped by adding water molecule, or which will destroy the residual reducing agent, and the resulting adduct forms an aldehyde. During the formation of an intermediate, that is at minus 78 degree, this is the structure of diisobutyl aluminum hydride, and this is a dimer, and this molecule when reacts with a an ester or when it undergo reaction, we can see that during the formation of an intermediate, it will be forming a stable tetrahedral intermediate at minus 78 degree Celsius. And that means it will donate its hydride ion. One hydride ion will be donated and it will be forming a stable tetrahedral intermediate. This is the mechanism of formation, or the dibal mechanism, and this is forming an alkoxide formation can be seen. And here we can say that it is by adding water it will be getting trapped, and the residual reducing agent will be removed, or it will be trapped, and the resulting adduct formed will be an alcohol. And this molecule, the reaction, this is the proposed mechanism. And to see the mechanism, the video of the mechanism, you can click and select this dibal, and I am not going to the YouTube video now, and you can see the video of the mechanism of the action of dibal, that is and you just click it and open. Then you can see that when you click this, or you can see right clicking, you can see open hyperlink in that, and click on open hyperlink. You can watch the video of the mechanism. This dibal is available commercially as a solution in toluene or hexane, and at ordinary temperature, as all of you know, that is the esters and ketones are reduced to alcohols. Nitriles will be giving definitely to amines. Nitriles will be definitely giving this, that is CN will be giving amines, and epoxides will be giving alcohols, and cyanides will be forming an aldehyde like that. The Dibal is considered as a convenient reagent for reducing carboxylic acid to esters, and it can be also used for reducing esters to alcohols through aldehydes, and we can also stop the reaction at the aldehyde stage. That is, the Dibal reduces esters to alcohol at room temperature. The reaction occurs by the way of aluminum alkoxide intermediate, which will spontaneously form aldehyde, which yields the alcohol. But at minus 78 degree, the alkoxide is able to accumulate and can be trapped by adding water, which will destroy the residual reducing agent. This Dibal molecule, it is a reagent of choice for the reduction of alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds, and these reductions are considered to be chemoselective as well as stereo specific. That's all about the Dibal H. And next reagent we have to study is sodium cyanoborohydride or NaBH3Cl. Similarly, this hydride transfer reagents, we have to study lithium aluminum hydride, sodium borohydride, sodium cyanoborohydride, red aluminum, that is sodium bis 2-methoxy aluminum hydride, and these all are the reagents we have to study in this hydride transfer reagents. Thank you.